the various steps that are involved in enzymatic reaction. See, what are the various steps in an enzyme catalyzed reaction? You can see here the different steps I have mentioned in a point-wise manner. You can see the points one by one. The first step in an enzyme catalyzed reaction is enzyme and substrate combine to form a complex. That complex is called as enzyme substrate complex. And second point or second step in the enzymatic reaction is the complex, that is enzyme substrate complex, goes through a transition state. Means it is not quite substrate or it is not even a product. So it is an intermediate stage between substrate and products, that is called a transition state. So that transition state is brought because of the binding of the enzyme with the substrate and reaching to a different state called transition state. So in this transition state, this is neither a substrate nor look like a product. So this is an intermediary stage. And the third step in an enzyme catalyzed reaction is a complex of the enzyme and the product is produced. Now slowly the substrate is converting into product. Now the product is also completely not released immediately. So after the transition state, the substrate is converted to product, and this product which is already binding with the enzyme you can see. So this is the third step. So enzyme and product, they are linked in the complex. So this is the third phase. And in the final stage, final step, the enzyme and products get separated. So these are the different steps in an enzyme catalyzed reaction. So all of these steps are in equilibrium. At equilibrium, you can see all these steps. So these are the important steps in an enzyme catalyzed reaction, and one must remember. So this we have already discussed. Now see, we have learned that there are different steps in an enzyme catalyzed reaction. You can see here the enzyme is in blue color and the red color that is present in the enzyme is called indicating the active site. Active site is the area where actual catalysis or reaction taking place. Adjacent to the active site is the substrate binding site. Now see, this is a substrate, yellow color compound is a substrate, and this substrate is coming and binding with the active site of the enzyme, and the adjacent parts are substrate binding site where the substrate is allowed to bind with the enzyme strongly to form enzyme substrate complex. So this is how you will get an enzyme substrate complex. In the second image, in the bottom image, you can see here, see enzyme reacting with the substrate forming a enzyme substrate complex, and at the active site actual reaction of catalysis takes place. Now once enzyme and substrate bind together, they reach a state called transition state. This transition state is an intermediary stage where they reach to a different energy levels. So now see here, actually enzyme substrate, you didn't see any, after binding you didn't see any change. But when it reaches the transition state, see, you can see some change has happened. So this change moves the enzyme substrate complex to transition state. So once the transition state is achieved, the substrate is converted to product. Now see here, substrate, the color has changed at one side. So you have got different compounds. Now once these compounds are released from the enzyme, so substrate gives rise to different products. So you can see different products, and the enzyme is retained at the end of the reaction without undergoing any change. So this is what happens in an enzyme catalyzed reaction. So these are the different steps in an enzyme catalyzed reaction. So to understand the enzyme kinetics, we must know the mechanism of enzyme action. So for that matter, I have told you about the various steps that are involved in enzyme catalyzed reaction and the models explaining the mechanism of enzyme action. That is lock and key model and substrate strain theory or induced fit theory we have discussed in the previous classes. So that is very important to understand the enzyme kinetics. So enzyme kinetics means it deals with the energy changes during the reaction. Enzyme kinetics deals with the energy changes during the reaction. So what happens in enzyme catalyzed reaction? Enzyme binds with the substrate forming an intermediate called enzyme substrate complex, and finally after attaining the transition state, the substrate is converted into products and products are released and enzyme is also released. So 2 points when you are talking about enzyme kinetics you should understand.